Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, okay. Children, we have completed chapter. Yes, good morning. Chapter 9 we completed. That is was fractions 1. And today we are going to learn fractions 2. Fractions 2. So that chapter is add and subtract mixed fractions. Add and subtract mixed fraction. So before that, I will ask you, let me see whether you know what is mixed fraction, what is proper, what is improper. So I will ask one by one. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. Don't say together. Then nobody will understand anything. So tell me what is an improper. Who can say yes, Anandesh? Improper fraction.
The fractions that have numerator bigger
Numerator is bigger. Yes. Numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator greater than denominator. We say that they are, that fraction is improper. So what is proper? Yes, who is going to tell me proper? Yes, Gautam.
The numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yes, I'm asking proper.
Yes, ma'am. The denominator is bigger than numerator.
Yes, denominator is greater than numerator.
Ma'am, can
So,
I tell mixed fractions?
Wait, Angela. So children, improper and proper. If you study one improper means it is not proper. It is improper means that numerator is greater. Some children, they must have forgotten. So we are revising again. So please pay attention that numerator, greater numerator, that fraction is improper. So proper will be opposite. Numerator will be smaller than denominator. Okay, Angelina, tell me what is mixed fractions?
Yes, ma'am. It is if the whole and fraction is mixed.
Okay, mixed fraction. So it is a combination. It is a combination of whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. Okay. So there, can you say these three fractions together? So children, please wait and listen again, because we are going to start mixed fractions. So before that, we should know. Some children must have forgotten. Yes, pay attention. Devak, improper.
Numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper. Improper.
Fraction with the numerator bigger. Okay, improper. Then next one is proper.
Denominator is greater than the numerator is called proper.
Denominator is greater than numerator. Okay, mixed fraction.
The combination of a whole number and fraction is called mixed
combination of a whole number and
fraction is
now
called...
Isha, can you give me an example for, listen to question, improper example? Improper.
5 by 4.
5 by 4, very good. 5 by 4, in that 5 is the numerator and that is bigger than 4. Okay, now Anthony, can you say an example for proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am. 2 by 3.
2 by 3. Okay. Now, Harsha, example 4, mixed fraction.
1. 1 by 3.
1 and 1 by 3. 1 and 1 by 3. So that is mixed fraction. Okay. Now, children, in the class 4, have you learned how to make a mixed fraction into improper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manu, can you tell me how we can make, how you can make mixed fraction into improper?
Ma'am, we will take the denominator and multiply it by the whole number and add it with the numerator.
Add it with the numerator. Very good. So children, you know how to make fraction, that is mixed fraction, into improper. Okay. And now we are, okay, children. Very good. So now we are going to study add and subtract mixed fractions.
Mixed fractions.
Okay, children, I will mute because some disturbance. I don't know from where.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, 3/5. Ma'am, this 2 is what, ma'am?
What? 2.5?
Yes, ma'am, that is a mixed fraction.
So 2 is the whole number. 3/5 is a fraction.
Ma'am, whole number is 5, right? In 3/5.
We will discuss. Okay. Listen to me. We will discuss with examples. Okay, children. I don't know from somewhere disturbance. So I'm just muting. When I will mute. Whenever you are getting chance, you can tell me. Okay. So children, you studied everything. Improper, proper, mixed fractions and how to convert mixed fraction into improper. That all we have discussed or studied in class 4 and we were just revising improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Numerator will be the fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. And in proper fraction, it is just opposite. Numerator will be smaller. And mixed fraction, for example, 1 and 1/2. And Manu told how we can make mixed fraction into improper. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. Then that product you should add with the numerator. Okay. Now we will. Now I will give you some examples to make. Can you take out your rough book, all of you? Yes. Yes, Nandita, unmute. Children, please take out your rough book and write down this question. Let me see whether you can make improper fractions from mixed. Okay, question number 1. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. So question number 1, we can write 6 and 2/4. Children, you have to. So how we were discussing? Then who can tell me this again? Yes, Adil. Can you tell me how we can make this mixed fraction 6 and 2/4 into? Yes, Adil. Unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you make this mixed fraction into improper? Yes, are you there? Ayman. Yes, Ayman.
Yes, ma'am.
How can you make this into improper?
Ma'am, we should multiply the whole number.
Okay, we will write
to
this
the
whole number
denominator.
little more up. So 6 into 4. Okay, then
Plus 2.
What is 6 into 4?
6 into 4, 24.
24. That is 24. Then what we had to do?
Add 2.
Add.
Ma'am, 26.
Add the numerator. Add the numerator, that is 2. Then 24 plus 2 is 26. So what will be the denominator?
And 2. 2. Ma'am, I have small doubt on that.
Yes, Anandesh, tell me. What will be the denominator when you compare? I know when we write into improper.
The same denominator.
Same denominator. What is the denominator here?
4.
4. Why confusion? We are not changing the denominator. Only the numerator, because here, children, we are making that into improper. So 26 is greater. Yes? 26 is greater. So this fraction is. What is this fraction, Gautam? Is it proper or improper? Improper. So this fraction is improper. So children, all the children, I have explained one question. Now I will give you two more questions. You have to do alone. So those who forgot, listen carefully. Those who have any doubt, please check again. We have to do denominator multiply with the whole number. Then add the numerator. Then same denominator we have to write. Denominator have no change. It is not changed. Okay. So children, we are going to do add and subtract mixed fractions. So before adding and subtracting, you should know how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then we can easily add or subtract as we have done in the last chapter, chapter 9. Yes? Chapter 9, what was the topic? What was we have? Add and subtract?
Add and subtract.
Unlike fraction.
Add and subtract unlike fractions. So you know how to make same denominator by finding the LCM. Then we will add or subtract. Like the
Yes,
same
me, ma'am.
way, before finding
Yes, me,
the
ma'am.
answer, what we are going to do? We are going to convert mixed fraction into improper. Then you can find, as usual, what we have done in chapter 9.4, add and subtract unlike fraction, the same method. So children, I will give you two more questions to convert mixed fractions into improper. All of you take out the rough book and write down the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope now it's clear for everyone. So, multiply denominator and the whole number, then add the numerator divided by the same denominator. Okay, next question number 2. You have to do alone. 7 and 1 by 4. Question number 3. 9 and 3 by 4. Okay, all of you do alone. I will ask one by one. Don't say the answers louder. Agni finished? Okay. Amna, can you say the answer of question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the answer?
29 by 4.
29 by 4. Okay, Agni, tell me whether it is correct or wrong. Agni.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Correct. Okay. So those children, all of you, please listen how we got this answer. We multiplied 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. Plus 1, the numerator. So you'll get 28 plus 1, you will get 29. But you will have to write the same denominator. So we'll get 29 by 4. That's correct. Okay. How many got this correct answer? Can you raise your hand? Yes, children? Okay, very good. So I think, Brightlin, can you say the answer of next question?
Ma'am, 39 by 4.
39 by 4. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. Very
Nine.
good. By the same denominator, 39 by 4. So children, don't get confused here. We are multiplying the whole number and the denominator. 9 4s are 36. Then add the numerator. Then denominator is not changed. So children here, how many got this answer? 39 by 4. Correct? Okay. So I hope, I think we can just start workbook. Page number. Find out the answer, page number 10.1. Children, find out.
Page
we
number
have
36.
started addition and subtraction.
36.
We have not started.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, we can improper fraction to mixed fraction.
Yes, that you have will.
Ma'am, in some
Yes,
Children, it's not possible. If you say together, it's not possible for me to understand.
Ma'am, page
So
number
all of you, please,
36.
1 minute. Yes, Gautam, what we are speaking?
that 10.1 is page number 36.
Okay, page number 36. Okay. So Anthony was asking whether we can go back to from improper to mixed fraction. Have you learned that in the last class?
Ma'am, we should divide.
All others, please mute. Agni is saying the answer. Yes, Agni.
Ma'am, we should divide the improper fractions.
We should divide the improper fraction. So we will do that same number here. Okay, same examples. All of you please mute and listen carefully. So here what was the answer question here? 7 and 1 by 4. 7 and 1 by 4. Anthony, listen carefully. We are going to do that now. 7 into 1 by 4. Children, that is the fraction given. So we made that into 29 by 4. Now I want to go back to the mixed fraction again. So what will I do? I will divide it. 29 will be the dividend and 4 is the divisor. Now tell me 29 divided by 4.
7.
Ma'am,
7. 7 fours are 28. And the remainder is 1. Okay. Now children, listen to me. This 7 is the quotient. That will be the whole number. And 1 is the remainder. Remainder. That will be the numerator. Twice is the denominator. Understood?
Yes,
So all the children listen again. 7 fours are 28. So this quotient is the whole number. And the remainder will become the numerator. And the denominator is the divisor. Okay. So children, I hope all of you have got the page.
Yes, ma'am. You cannot see that full screen.
Okay. So one by one, we will, page number 36, children. Page number 36. Alok, read question number 1. Alok. Page number 36.
A fraction whose numerator is dash than the denominator is called an improper fraction.
Okay, tell me fraction whose numerator is dash than the denominator, which is improper?
Greater.
Greater. Very good. So what's the option? Option?
C.
C. Very good. Shows children what is improper fraction? Fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. That is known as, okay. I will write the answer on the board after this. Now, give them wait. Those who didn't get the chance, I'm going to tell them. Madhav, read question number 2, Madhav. Madhav, yes. Read. Say louder. Unmute. Are you using the headset or speaker? Daniel. Read question number 2. Question number 2.
Ma'am,
Ah.
a fraction whose denominator is greater than numerator is called an proper fraction.
Proper fraction. So option? Option? Which is that option? B. Okay, Nandita, did you get the page number? Okay. So children, I'm going to write now here. Some children, they have some network issue. They can look at the board and write. Okay, page number 36. Question number 1. The fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator, that is known as improper. So option C. Question number 2. Fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator, that is known as proper fraction. Question number B. Okay, next question number 3. Richard, can you read? Yes, Richard, question number 3.
The combination of a whole number and a fraction is called
Mm.
dash.
Hmm.
Option A, mixed fraction.
Very good.
Option B,
Okay, the combination of a whole number,
Ma'am, answer is
a fraction. It's
mixed
called mixed
fraction.
fraction. Okay.
Answer is option A.
Okay, option A. Now next one, Anthony. Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am. The improper fraction form of 2 1 by 3 is 7 by 3.
What do you have to do? 2 times 3. That is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by
7 by 3.
3. 7 by 3. Option B.
Option B.
Very good. Okay.
We can next.
Next one, Amna. Read question number 5.
I didn't know.
Yes, Amna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
To add two mixed fractions, we convert them to dash fractions.
Mm.
A, improper fractions. B, proper fractions. C, mixed. And D, both A and B. Ma'am, answer is A.
A, very good. So children, to add two mixed fraction, first what we will do? We will convert them into improper. Improper. That is option A. Okay, next one, Isha, question number 6.
CBABA. EBABA. EBABA.
6 1 by 2 when expressed as an improper fraction is equal to dash. Answer is option C, 13 by 2.
13 by 2. Okay, so children, 6 and 1 by 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. So that is option C. Very good. Option C, 13 by 2. Okay, now next one. Okay, Gautam. Question number 7.
The improper fraction form of 4 1 by 3.
Mm. Improper fraction.
13 by 3. 13 by 3.
13 by 3. Very good. 13 by 3. Children, you can check whether you got this answer. How? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. Okay. Next question, Bharadwaj. Can you read, Bharadwaj? Let me see. Is there any network problem? Bharadwaj? Can you unmute? Read question number 8. Question number 8.
The improper fraction from 1 3 by
1 and
4
3 by
is
4.
dash.
1 and 3 by 4.
1 and 3 by 4 is dash. 7 by 4.
7 by 4. Very good. 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Question number 8. The answer is 7 by 4. Okay. Next one, Manu.
Yes, ma'am. The mixed fraction form of 9 by 2.
Okay. 9 by 2.
4 1 by
Divide
2.
and tell me.
4 1 by 2.
Yes. We will check. 4 2s are 8. Subtract, you will get 1. So 4 is the
Whole number.
4 is the whole number. You had to write here. Question number 9. 4 is the whole number. And which is the remainder?
1.
1. And which is the denominator? That is 2. 4 and a half. 4 and 1 by 2. Finished? Yes, Anadesh, read next question, Anadesh. Question number 10.
Yes, ma'am. Solve 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4.
Okay. So children, to add these mixed fractions, what we have to do first? First, we have to make into improper. You know how to make improper? Multiply the denominator and the whole number. Add the numerator. Yes. So you
Ma'am,
get
we should make,
improper
we
fraction.
should get the answer in mixed fraction.
Huh?
We should do the fraction in mixed fraction. The sum we should do in mixed
We will
fraction.
do.
We should make it improper and then make mixed.
We will do together. So children, we know everything. What we know? We know how to make improper fraction. After finding the improper fraction, we know how to add and subtract. That we learned in chapter 9.4. Okay, so we will do that together. All of you. Question number 10. So children, the question is 1 and 1 by 4. We have to add with 2 and 1 by 4. First, all the children has to make this into 2 improper fractions. 1 into 4 plus 1. Children, make this into improper fractions. Yes, Simon. First one. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1.
Ma'am, it is 5 by 4.
5 by 4 plus 4
Ma'am,
twos
5
are
9 by 4.
4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1,
Plus 1,
9.
9.
9 by 4. So children, very easy. They are, what are they, like or unlike?
Ma'am, like
They are
fractions.
fractions. So what we have to do? Yes, Angelina, add and tell me. What is 9 plus 5? 5 plus 9?
It is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
9 plus 5 is 14. Divided by 4.
4.
So children, this much it's clear.
Ma'am, we should write only 14 by 4 in the
No,
answer.
no. We are going to do now divide and we are going to write in the mixed fraction. 14 divided by 4. Children, it is given in the mixed fraction. So we have to do the final answer into again mixed fraction.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if the denominators are same when we make it improper fraction, so we can directly add or subtract, right?
Yes, that's what we have done here now. 5 plus 9, 14. We can do directly because the denominators are same. Okay. Yes, Richard, tell me the answer here. Yes. 14 divided by 4.
Ma'am, 14 divided by 4 is 11.
Yeah?
No, ma'am, 14.
No, no,
4
all
into
others
3.
be quiet. 4 into which number we can take from here?
9.
4 into,
No.
9 into 4 is 36. Can I do?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Yes, we are dividing. So 14 divided by 4. So 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay. Then what is the remainder? 2. So what is the mixed fraction here? Tell me. 3 is the 2 is the numerator. 4 is the denominator. So this is the answer. Is it easy? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should write this step.
We had to write the step. Because here very short answer, children. Make small steps. We can write everything this all in one step. I think we have two lines. Yes. So the first step you can write this much. 5 by 4 plus 9 by 4.
Then can I start doing other questions?
1 by 4
plus 2, 1 by 4 equal to 5 by 4 plus 9
If you
by
have
4.
place, you can write like that. Yes, children, you can do the next question.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the 13th question.
Huh?
I didn't understand 13th question because the improper fraction by converting to improper
13. Have you done 13?
Ma'am,
No. Yeah, till question number 10. We will go one by one.
no, ma'am, but when I convert that into improper fractions, the both denominators are different.
Different. So what we have to do in the 9.4, what we have done?
Ma'am, we should
We have
make
to
the
make
denominator same.
LCM. Denominator, we have to make it
Okay, ma'am.
same using LCM.
Thank you,
Okay. So that is what we have learned in chapter 9, that we cannot forget when we come to chapter 10. It is the continuation.
Ma'am, Anthony have a short
Okay.
method about this.
Who?
Ma'am, Anthony.
Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, Anthony and Agni.
Okay.
Agni also know.
Okay, okay. First, Anthony. All others, please be quiet and.
Ma'am, 10th question itself I will say, ma'am.
Huh?
My 10th question I will say example.
Oh.
So, ma'am, here 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 4.
You are going to add the whole number, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here 1 into 4 and 2 into 4. 8 plus 4, 12. Then numerator of first mixed fraction and second mixed fraction we can add. 1 plus 1, 2. Then
1 minute,
12
let me
plus
see. Here.
2,
Okay,
14
here.
by 12.
Mm.
Ma'am, here 1 by 4
Mm.
and 2 1 by 4. 10th
Gautam,
question,
please wait. Yes, Anthony.
ma'am, 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 4.
Mm.
Here, first mixed fraction 1 into 4 and 2 into 4 add.
Mm.
2 into 4, 8 and 1 into 4, 4. It add and 12.
Mm.
Then we have to add mixed fraction numerator.
Mm.
2 mixed fraction numerator.
Yes.
Here mixed fraction is numerator is 1 and next also 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then
Okay.
12 plus 2 is 14
Okay,
by
okay.
4.
Understood. Now, I will ask with the. Yes. Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam.
10th question we can do 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4. So in that all number 1 plus 2. So it is 3.
Yes.
And then numerator 1 plus 1 2 and denominator 4. So we should do only 4.
Yes.
So it will become like that.
We can do like that. But in all the questions, if it's not possible, if fraction part, if they are like fractions only, we can. Otherwise, you will make mistakes.
Agni
Okay, so
have
children. Yes, Agni. What is your short method? Tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, it was the same Gautam told. We
Now
should
Gautam
add the
told.
whole numbers and add and subtract the fractions.
Fractions. Okay. We have to add the whole number. And that way also we can do. But that is not possible if the fractions are unlike. So we can do like this. 1 into 4. Then 5 by 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. So we can do like this. Now, otherwise what we will do? We can add, if the denominators are same only, we can do like this. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we can take the same denominator, 4. Then we can 1 plus 1 add the numerators. Okay. So in this method and this method also, we will get the same answer. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, but when we do the converting method, it can be done for every fractions.
Yes.
So
We
that
can do
will
this
be
method
easy
for
to do.
all the fractions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Also,
why
LCM
that's why I taught you this method, because we can use this method for all fractions, and this you have to be careful whether the denominators are same. Okay, next question number 11. All the children do it alone now. Alone.
And that we can do by subtracting the whole numbers.
Hmm?
And 11
First do the converting method, Agni. First, then we can check with the. Okay. Yes, Gautam.
in this also we can do that method.
But here it is subtract.
Yes, ma'am. 2, that whole number 2 minus 1, 1. And numerator 2 minus 1, 1. And 9 also we can.
Okay, so that we can do, but you have to do the converting method first, then we can use like this.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Those who finished, okay. Others, please try to do alone. We will do now question number 11. Solve 2 and 2 by 9. 2 and 2 by 9 minus 1 and 1 by 9. 1 and 1 by 9. First, we will do with the converting into. Yes, Isha, can you say the answer? Converting method. Make this improper, Isha. 9 twos are.
Which I have
Can
to
you see
make
question number 11? 2 and 2 by 9. Can you make this into?
Okay, then fine. I'll give you
we
the
have
script.
to
Giri,
divide
you need to update.
2 and 9.
Yeah, I'll give you the script. You need to
1 minute, okay. Let me see some disturbance here. Yes, Isha, please mute. Anthony, please convert this into. Yes, Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me this into improper fraction.
Ma'am, 2
2 into 9.
2 by 9.
2 into
2 to
9. 18
into
plus.
9 plus 2.
18 plus 2.
9 plus
20 by
20 by
9.
9.
Okay. Minus. 1 into 9.
1 into 9, 9 plus
9
1
plus
is
1.
10 by 9.
10 by 9. Now, it is very easy. The denominators are same.
10
So,
by 9.
tell me 20 minus 10? 10.
20 minus 10, 10.
Okay. So, you can see 1 and 1 by 9. Is the? You have to convert this into mixed fraction. How you can do? 10 divided by 9. 1 into 9. Then subtract, the remainder is 1. So 1 and 1 by 9. Now, like the other method, how Agni was telling, we can do 2 minus 1. That is the whole number. So we can take 1. And 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So that is 2 minus 1, 1 by 9. This method also, children, we can do. But always you have to check whether these denominators are same. Then only we can use this method. Okay. So converting method and this method also we can study. If the denominators are same, it is easy. This method is easy. Otherwise, you have to do this conversion method. Okay, so children, we have completed till question number 11. Okay, so children, please listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, our next class will be at 12:55 on board. Which board?
Board.
Board?
Board 4.
Board 4. Okay.
Board
So
4.
children, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, so for the next MCQ4, we don't have the rest all chapters. There will be 10, 11, and 12, 13, all the other chapters for MCQ4.
Don't worry about MCQ 4. Now worry about MCQ 3. Okay, Angelina. Bye. Thank you.